G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's 20th of June 2023. This is the Nat Gas price update. Our weekly is still showing a neutral positioning on our indicator. The daily is broken up into a bullish momentum, and the hourly is showing some potential retrace with this latest divergence currently playing out. So let's go through each of these. On the weekly, our triple moving average of the price chart is bearish, and the CCI 150 moving averages are broken up slightly, and that's giving us this neutral signal. So neither long nor short. Although you can see there over that previous almost a year, it's been in a pretty strong decline with those very bearish signals. On the daily, we've got this this resistance here at 2158, and this key resistance area, support and resistance area at 2786. It's currently reaching the 28786 level, but and that's broken up, and you can see there it's gone past the 61% level, which is always a positive in terms of a potential trend reversal, and it's still rising on the daily, and that's giving us this bullish signal on the indicator down here. Also, if you pull back, you'll notice here we did have a bullish divergence on the CCI for those new to the channel versus a bearish on the price chart, and that's actually our target area there. So if it breaks above this resistance, we're looking at an upward target area. On the downside, if it breaks below this support level at 2158, then the initial target area will be that 23 to 38% Fibonacci extension target area on the downside. So the key is this these areas between the support and resistance areas on the daily. On the hourly, if I pull back here, you can see here we did have initially a divergence playing out. This is an independent, separate divergence from the daily chart. This is on the hourly. You can see that there was a bullish divergence versus a bearish on the price chart. And when it finally broke out of that, we set a target, and our target was there between 50 and a 61%. That was a little target box. You can see that it went sideways for a while, but then eventually broke to the upside and hit our target. Now, more recently, we've got this, again, as I said on the daily, we're approaching this key resistance area. But you'll notice here we've got a bit of a divergence as well playing out. So just be mindful, we may see a bit of a retracement to the downside before taking further potential long positions. So let's look at, what have we got here? That's a bearish divergence there versus a bullish divergence there. So what may happen here is if we draw a channel between those highs and that lowest candle in the divergence range, if it breaks below that channel, then we're looking at a potential downside target on the Fibonacci. So let's go back to this area. So in the short term, if it breaks below this channel, we're looking at a potential target area between the 23 and the 38%, and we'll see if it breaks through that before it possibly go any further. But that's our short-term downside target if this divergence continues to work. So it's not far off the entry there if you're looking at going short. But again, this is I use this primarily as an area to get out of any long positions in this case, with any potential downside. So also up here I've got these two back tests, a long back test and a short back test, showing where the prices have averaged down. You can see they're going long there. It averaged down a couple of times during the long periods, and it averaged down during the short periods during that period there. The way to avoid those average downs, as I said, always trade in the direction of the daily and the weekly. So that would have been the start of around about April 2022. You can see there, April 2022, primarily long trades, no short trades on the weekly. And likewise, April 2022, there were a couple of short trades, but again, I prefer to trade when the weekly and the daily are aligned. Hence, there's this indicator down here, making sure before you take any trades on the hourly time frame. So to understand how to trade this and other trading strategies, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe to my Patreon page. We also do scans of stocks, currencies, and commodities. Subscribe, like, and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.